We suffered a lot of pain. Some of you have suffered a lot of loss, a lot of death. You know, and I feel that 100%. You know, that's not something that you could have planned for. That's not something that you could have prepared for. It kind of just happened. You went through it, and maybe the pain is still lingering from that. But now it's time for you to get a reward from all the pain that you endured. And that starts with you getting back in your zone, getting back in your bag, getting back to who you truly are. Because this negative energy that you're bringing out, that's not who you truly are. I don't know where it came from. Maybe it is from 2020. Maybe it is from COVID. Maybe it is from all these other things. But this negative energy that's spewing out of you, that is not who you are. And I know that. You are a positive, overcoming human being, naturally. You are a free-loving spirit. All this BS energy, all this negative stuff that you're spewing out, that you're talking about, that you're speaking into existence. No wonder why your life is going to shambles right now, because you keep talking about negative things. I know we've all heard the term, like, your thoughts become things. You know, speaking things into existence. If you're speaking bad things, if you're speaking negative things, if you're thinking negative thoughts, and everything around you is negative, is it really a mistake that everything around you is going bad? And I'm not saying that once you think positively, everything's going to change dramatically. You know, it takes time. But if you continue to speak negative things, if you continue to speak, you know, these bad thoughts and bad things, everything's going to stay bad. It's going to stay negative. Why? Because your mind is always negative. That's why I'm a firm believer that heaven and hell is really just a state of mind. And your mind's going to believe everything that you tell it. So tell it the right things, and then watch everything else around you open up.